the big news coverage in the newspaper and televisions about a bishop who says there was no virgin birth of Jesus Christ or the resurrection. And these were the facts we were saying and fighting with them, and now they are fighting with each other. And this is the good news for us.
But this is not a new thing. This has been going on for centuries. The debate within Christianity has been going on right from the early time. There have been monotheists among them. There have been such who did not believe in virgin birth, and so many of the Christian factions can be detected by a study of history. So these phenomena come and go, and sometimes somebody appears who is more pronounced. So people begin to talk of him, and then he dies out ultimately. So it's not something new to help us. The most interesting thing about this phenomena is this, of which we should take heed, from which we must draw lessons. That despite this, they have been not external from Christianity. They have not been deprived of the right of calling themselves Christians. And the Muslims, unfortunately, have become so intolerant that at the smallest excuse, they begin to chuck such people out as agree in the fundamentals and only deviate in small things. There are Christians here who disagree with the entire fundamentals of Christianity, yet call them Christians, and they are accepted as Christians and discussed as Christians in the society. So the only benefit we can draw from this incident is this, that it's a lesson for us, for the rest of the Muslim world, that they should also show tolerance to internal differences. वक्त हो गया अब तो अज़ान दे रहे हैं।